Hello dear friends, I'm sharing a lovely recipe with all of you today, which is Farah Khan's special roast chicken. It's easy to make and delectable. I've already made it once and everyone enjoyed it. So I thought I should share it with you all. Many of you might have already tried it, but if not, do give it a try. Take a full chicken, uncut. If you want, you can keep the skin on, but I have got the one without the skin. Then we have garlic, about 2 tablespoons. Lightly roasted and crushed red chillies. I have taken 5 Kashmiri chillies and 2 spicy chillies. 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Salt as required. Lemon juice about 3 tablespoons. Mustard sauce about 3 tablespoons. Now all these ingredients will be used for marination. Oil about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Take olive oil preferably. Now transfer the chicken into a larger dish and make gashes on it. This way the marination will get seeped into the chicken and make it more flavorful. First rub salt on it. It's better done with hand, so I'm not using a glove. Inside out, rub it very well, evenly. Do the same on the reverse side as well. Rub it very well. Next, do the same with the garlic. Massage each ingredient very nicely to the chicken. Both the sides. Now pour some lemon juice and follow the same process. You may use vinegar, but lemon juice is better. Next goes the mustard sauce along with the chilies, the red chilies and the crushed black pepper. Together, rub them on the chicken. Now if you want to increase the chilies, you can do that. I have taken 2 spicy chilies. You can go for 3 chilies if you like it very spicy. Heat them lightly on the pan and crush them. Don't make them into powder. As you can see here, the texture is coarser. Continue to marinate, rub the chicken nicely with all the ingredients. This is the important step. The more you rub it and massage it, the marination will go into seep into the chicken very nicely. Finally, the olive oil. I'm leaving some to pour into the pan. I've used about 2 to 3 tablespoons here. Now the chicken is all set to go into the refrigerator for marination. I covered it with a plate so that the marination does not get stuck to the cling film. Now this can be kept for 4 to 5 hours or preferably overnight. Now take a deep pan, a heavy bottom pan or a wok. Transfer the marinated chicken into it. remove all the marination from the dish and put it onto the chicken. Lovely, so aromatic. Pour about 4 to 5 cups of water. The level should be up to half of the wok. Now cover and bring it to boil on high first. Once it starts to boil, you can reduce it a little bit. Not very low, but keep it on medium flame for about 30 minutes. You can just forget about it for 30 minutes. You can see the water level is also reduced now, and very carefully and gently we'll flip the side. It's difficult to do, but using tongs and a wider ladle, flip it. Now other side will be already done in the steam but needs to be cooked little more. So we are adding about 1 cup of water again. Now we'll cover and let this cook again for 10 to 15 minutes. Mine was done in 10 minutes. The chicken is tender. It was 1 kg chicken. So if chicken is bigger, it may take 15 minutes. Now the remaining gravy, you can pour it on the chicken to keep it moist. Chicken is done. Switch off the flame and just let it soak in the remaining gravy until the pan is hot. Dish it out and you can enjoy it as a complete meal with some potato wedges or boiled vegetables, stir-fried vegetables of your choice. Even without the addition of garam masala, it tastes so heavenly. Let's check out the texture. It's very well cooked, soft and buttery. You can see how soft it is. Yummy, so yummy. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Check out these videos from the archives and have a nice day. Happy cooking.